Gotta get this one for the concert to get them shots.
You're freaking, she stick on the school right up.
A Java frap. Small is fine.
Can you make another order and give me a patient?
With almond milk, please. So now we're pulling up to the Apple store because I gotta fix my phone because it's literally useless and I'm trying to get videos and stuff and all the stuff that I need. So they told us at Apple that the wait was gonna be like 2 hours and sound check is literally like an hour and 30 minutes. So time I don't have, so I had to get this one.
I'm a dog in my wheel, they gon' ride through to the death, yeah. Elevator up the hill, we ain't never take this to my faces. I might need you. Hey,
Let's get it.
she's in love with who I am.
Let's go backstage.
Okay. So we're just pulled up. This place is looking great. This place is looking amazing. You guys see a little Red Bull bar. I'll give you guys a little tour. We got VIP all the way back far there. Stage and backstage, which is where we're just at. Looking like a movie. So you think we're gonna make it to sound check in time?
Sure.
We got like...
Wait, can I go?
We literally got 23 minutes to get the food and go back for sound check when Gunna pulls up. Nah, we're pretty full. So it's been an extremely hectic day. As you guys saw, my phone literally got destroyed. Had to go get a new phone so I could, get videos, stay in contact. My business phone, for some reason, I left it at home today, which never happens, but I have no idea. So, I left my house, had to go get the new phone, which took a long time because traffic is being insane. After we got that fixed, we pulled up to the venue. Fortunately, everything's looking great. The team took care of the setup amazingly. The lighting is dope. So right now we're gonna get food. Then we're gonna go back to the venue, sound check. So Gunna's gonna be pulling up all the performers. There's a lot of special guests that are pulling up tonight that I'm in shock because it's people that I listen to a lot. So I'm extremely excited. We're gonna see how it goes. And I had a video guy for today. It was supposed to be a super professional video. I have no idea where he's at right now, so I guess I'm gonna have to do vlogging style, which I really didn't want to do. I wanted something like, professional and super dope, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna happen, so I'll catch you guys back at the place. So the guy that was gonna do the video for me ended up not being able to pull through, so I guess most of the shots are gonna be either me vlogging or I'm gonna get, people in my team or whatever to we'll do cinematics and shit like that, so we'll see how it goes.
Check.
You need a shot of
Start changing the climate. Extra always so bad, rockin' her red. The bitch she got posted, they call me in bed. I'm not gonna show this shit, get them folks had to test me, she caught me some bread. You real keep stitching, little shopping. You ain't gang.
We're here with the boy News. This is the guy that I always be putting on my channel in the videos. He's gonna open up. Super hyped. Like I said, only downside today was on my phone went to shit.
Let me see that phone.
I've shown it already, bro.
Let me see that. Just so people could know what's going on.
I can't believe this happened.
Can't believe that.
I had to go to Apple, get a new phone, because obviously we need to be able to shoot pictures.
Yes, sir, because we're here for that man right there.
It's just setting up. Ice is gonna come in. You can see the Red Bull here with the liquor.
We got that big Red Bull sponsorship. Red Bull stage. You see it over there later on.
You got VIP back there.
Yes,
and
sir.
let me take you guys to backstage right quick.
Yes.
Let's go. Super high. Super high. That's Gunna out there. I'll show you guys.
time to get in your zone, boy. It's showtime. It's now.
Yo, what the fuck is up, Miami? The fuck going on? Fucking good earth, fucking trophy. And I gotta say, you always love me. But I'm tripping on my bullshit, I'm moving slowly. Always moving low key, cause the best be watching. They be coming for my neck, but I'm always dodging. Lately I've been on the road, riding, take for real. You switch up a chain, I stay in my lane, I'ma do the pain for real. Always moving low key, cause the best be watching. They coming for my neck, but I'm always dodging. Must be thinking you got lucky, but this ain't the lotto. If you really give a damn, you should look like a model. If you really baby, I won't trust you. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Push it to the throttle. Move by the way, new shit on the way, niggas. What they sell this shit? Real nigga shit. What you got, what you got, what you got? Got 2 times off, gas. 2 times revenue on that.
I'm with a rah-rah, I am a da-da. My bitch is Chanel now, your bitch in the Spada. Yeah, and he shook.